Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Matt in Kentucky on the Stryker SR-955. Matt, this thing is ready to go for you. Let me show you something real quick. So obviously that's your on and off. Right there. You have got a high cut filter right here. There's your FM, AM, upper and lower sideband. You're going to be on AM for what you're wanting to do. Okay. Leave this noise blanker turned on. That'll cut down on a lot of that. Your echo, I'll preset it to what I like, and that'll get you close. Here's your talkback, you know, where you can listen to that. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. Break. Your RF power, okay. I assume you probably won't be running an amplifier, so you can run this thing. I'd run it anywhere between 1/2 and 3/4 all the time. This one here is your fine and coarse clarifier. You want to leave it straight up and down because you always want these last two digits to read 50 here, okay? This is your frequency. When you go to 19, your frequency is 271850, okay? You won't really have to mess with this button over here, none for what you're wanting to do. You can change colors here by pushing this button. That's pretty much it. So let me get right to it here. I'm gonna start with RF power all the way down. And what I do, I set these things up so that if you decide to run an amp later on, you can. There's 2 watts all the way down. Again, you don't want to run it that low, just running the radio. All the way up, 20 watts. I'm gonna show you average power swing. Hello, 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 audio. So 35 bird average. Now let's look at your peak numbers, 100-watt scale. Hello, 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 hello. About 86 PEP. So let's put this at 12 o'clock, okay? 50-watt scale, that's gonna give you about 7 watts. We're gonna turn up a little more. Let's go to 3/4. I like 3/4 for this radio. So it's about 14 watts. And as you can see, hello, 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 still swings all the way up there. It's about where I'd run it right there, okay? Man, it's good to put a handshake on you. Can't wait to get this radio back to you. And I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise. Get wise and get truck rise today.